Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Little Lotus, here she is, look. Bit of summer fun for you. Nice bright looking thing. Lovely set of wheels on it, look. There you are. Super user-friendly little car, aren't they? They look like they're worth a lot more money than they actually are. There you go, look. Now there is a small repair being carried out on the roof. I'll show you that in a minute or two. A little Elan SE look. And a lovely bright looking car. There we are. We'll have a look inside when it just comes around a bit further. So, interior wise, usual bit of wear on the driver's seat where you slide in. There we are. What we're doing, we've done 69,000 miles showing, look. Not killed with miles. There you go. Sweet enough. Small repair round this side. There you are, look. Small repair on the roof there, look. Again, smart and tidy around this side, no problem. Ooh. Oh, that's for that. I thought that was for the bonnet. There we are, look. Little Isuzu turbo. Fantastic little engine, that. Could hardly wear them out. Brilliant little motor. So, there we are. Come along, have a closer look, see if it's one for you.